Suprent sent me out the black Obsidian Pro Clipper and trimmer set. I did get these in black, but they also have them in silver and in gold. In the interior, you're going to find a brushless motor on both the clipper and the trimmer that run at 7,000 RPMs. The battery life on these are 3 hours, USB charging with this dedicated charging cable, no USB-C, and a charging stand for both the clipper and the trimmer. Both come equipped with the DLC blades that stay cooler, rust-free, and stay sharper longer. On the clipper, the blade can be detached by pulling the blades, as you can see on the clip, but not the trimmer. Rubber grips are on both clippers and the trimmer. The clipper comes with a clicky lever that I'm actually liking how it sounds. When you turn on both the machines, they will have a percentage digital screen that goes from 0 to 100%. I'm not sure how accurate these dB readers are on the phone, but I was getting an average of 72 dBs on the clipper, and I did do an RPM test and got an average of 7,000 RPMs on the clippers. Both machines can be adjusted to your liking. The trimmers, I do not recommend zero gapping them because the blade out of the box is already good enough and you do not want to cut your clients. But the clipper, on the other hand, that's a different story. I highly recommend you zero gap these because I do feel like they take advantage and you get the best performance if you do zero gap these. But please be careful and always test these machines on yourself before testing them on a client. These trimmers provide a very satisfying crunch. They lined up phenomenally and went through bulk like it was nothing. Now onto the RPMs and the dBs on the trimmers. They're going to be roughly around the same, which is great because these are sold as a bundle. And by the way guys, if you want to get these on serpent-us.com, I do have a discount code which is JFT25 at checkout to receive 25% off, or you can get these on Amazon. Now let's get into the charging stands. Build quality on these is 10 out of 10. They feel very solid. They're going to be very sturdy. But the only thing I will say guys is that you cannot charge your clipper on the trimmer charging stand and you cannot charge the trimmer on the clipper one. They do have their designated charging stand. Now let's get into the accessories. They do have a warranty card, so if you do want to scan that, you get extra warranty, but they do have a thank you card, which I want to read to you guys. Everything in the process makes you who you are. So we're here to witness the birth of Masterpiece. Suprent Pro, the best partner of masters. You're going to get some premium guards going from the half clip all the way to the number 6 guard. Plus you get some trimmer guards that go from the 2, 3, and 4 millimeters. You're also going to get the 2 charging cables, no charging cubes, but you can charge this either on the clipper itself or you can set them to the charging stand. Now you're going to get some oil, a screwdriver, and a little duster so you can dust off the clipper and trimmer. And I do believe these are essential and should always be provided by every manufacturer. Now let's get right into this demo guys. Right now I'm doing a number 5 on the sides. We're going to be doing a crop top messy look on the top. And let me know guys if you want to see more of these. Let me know if you wanted me to do any type of tutorials. Right here I'm using the trimmers, and as you can hear, they're crunching guys. We're going to be doing a mid taper on them with the hooks on the sides. Right here I'm just flicking out. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard that term flick, which is pretty much when the blades touch the hair and it's cutting, you're scooping out. That way you're not creating harsh guidelines, and this is what I'm doing right here, and they do it phenomenally. Look at how this seat cup comes out, how these trimmers line up. These are not adjusted. Again, these are not adjusted and they are hitting. They have a crunch to them. They are doing phenomenal. I can't explain just how good these trimmers are in my opinion. So honestly guys, these demos do speak for themselves. Just hear it and tell me what you guys think. Now let's get into my recommendations. This clipper is $189 US, so for beginners that might be a little too steep, but remember you are getting a clipper and a trimmer. But you can use my discount code JFT25 to get 25% off, and that comes out to $142 before taxes. For my medium to high level barbers, this will fit in your toolbox no problem. But again, I do believe that you have to adjust the clipper as close as possible to get the full performance out of it. So now guys, I hope you guys like this review. Thank you Suprent for sending these out to me. I had a fun time making this video. Hope you guys liked the haircut. Please let me know if you want tutorials. Have a blessed day guys.